at number 4. That's something a little room. And you might, if you want to, you can do this on a separate paper or a note paper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to chart everything out first. Because I look at this, I can't just write an equation and solve it. That's kind of crazy. You know, there's way more things going on. It's not quite as easy as the first 3 just to jot down and solve. So here we go. One company offers starting salary of $28,000 with a raise of $3,000 a year. The other company offers a starting salary of $36,000 with only a $2,000 raise each year. And how many years would the salaries be the same? Because one starts lower, but if you get a higher raise, the other one starts higher, but you get not as big of a raise. So at some point, you're going to be making the same amount. So a good way of looking at this is just say we got company A, company B, right? And we got the number of years. And just make a chart, and from the chart, it's easy to get an equation, or easier than just reading it here. And we can actually get the answer from the chart, so, and then figure out how to put it in the equation. So we got, to start off, year 0, that's just where it starts. That's why it's 0. Starting off, one company is 28,000. I'm going to use 48 after all the zeros. And the other company starts off at 36,000. Go ahead and fill this in. So we know company A is going to go up by 3,000. Company B is going to go up by only 2,000. So after 1 year, company A is going to go up 3,000, so it's going to make it 31,000. Company B is only going to go up by 2,000, so make it 38. So continue this all the way down and see how long it takes. How many years does it take with these two numbers, the salaries, to be the same?
Good morning.
Alright, so what did you find out? How long does it take? Yeah, solve all the way down. It takes 8 years. And what's the salary there? 52? Alright. So if you keep it going down, so we already know the answer. It's going to take 8 years for the salaries to be the same. One's going up by 3,000, one's going up by 2,000. All right, how do we write this in an equation? Okay. How do you write this in an equation? Well, here's a good hint. You want to take the 2 that you start at. So we're going to start at one company on the left side. I'm going to say that's going to be 28,000. And then I'm going to add how much it changes by. So I'm going to say plus 3,000. But it's 3,000 per year, or I mean, yeah, per year. So I want to put that, my variable, with whatever is changing. So starting doesn't change, it's always 28,000 no matter what. And then I want to put, well, it's going up by 3,000 each year. So the variable's like kind of like each year. And then do the same thing with the other company on the other side. And if we did it this way, 36,000. Plus the 2,000 per year. And when you solve this, it'll actually come out to be 8 years. But you'll see on all the problems, you're starting off, then how much you're going up by. Okay? And there's 2 companies, so I did company A on the left, company B on the right, or 2 gyms, or 2 something, so they're on either side of the equal sign. So that's the format you want to use for each one of those 5, 6, 7, and 8. So just let you go ahead and solve it. We already know the answer is going to come out to 8 on all the words. And then, of course, sum it up for the explanation. So we'll leave it at that, and tomorrow we'll start getting ready for your test. This is the last new material